here. We got the superior vena cava. Branches off into the left and right brachiocephalic veins. Over here, on the inside, the two inside veins are called the internal jugular veins. The two outside veins are called the external jugular veins. It also splits, and this is the subclavian veins. Got the left and right. And then the subclavian vein, just like the arteries, it becomes the axillary vein, which is right here. This outside vein is called the cephalic vein. Let's see. Over here, this part right here is called the median cubital vein. And over here is called the median antebrachial vein. The axillary vein also splits. You got this part which is called the basilica vein. And then on the back portion, just like the arteries, you have the brachial vein, which splits into the radial and ulnar veins. And that's the upper body. Oh, and on the back too, you got this vein that connects the inferior and superior vena cava. This is called the azygos vein.
Which one is it?
It's this one right here.
The thick one?
Yeah. Actually, it might just be this one right here.
Oh, it's like this.
Yeah. It splits, but I don't think we need to know this split.
So just right here.
Yeah, this thing. Okay? Now, on the back, the one going down, this is called the inferior vena cava. Just like the arteries, you have the left and right renal veins. And then, let's see, the front here. Okay. On this side, you have the splenic vein. Over here is the inferior mesenteric vein, superior mesenteric vein, and then on this side is called the hepatic portal vein.
Where is it?
Right here.
I need to take pictures of these definitions.
Okay. This part right here is called the right gonadal vein. Just like you had the left gonadal artery over here, you have the right gonadal vein. And then if it keeps running down, you have, this is still called the inferior vena cava. So if he tags anywhere here, it's the inferior vena cava. And it splits just like the arteries into the common iliac veins, which then splits into the external iliac vein and the internal iliac vein.
This is the internal?
Yeah, just like the arteries.
Okay. There's no bifurcation?
I don't think it's called bifurcation of the vena cava or anything like that, but let's see here. This vein right here, this really, really long one that goes all the way from up here to here, this is called the great saphenous vein. And then, just like the arteries, from the external iliac vein, it becomes the femoral vein over here, which then becomes the anterior and posterior tibial vein, and the fibular vein.
Wait. Say that again.
So right here, the medial portion becomes the anterior tibial vein, and you have the posterior tibial vein.
Okay.
And lateral, just like over here are the arteries, you have the fibular vein. And this long one is called the great saphenous vein.
Did we get all the veins?
Which one was the jugular on the back?
Oh, the jugular?
Yeah.
You have an internal jugular vein.
Hold on. One more time.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So on the inside, these are called the internal jugular veins. And then on the outside, you got the external jugular veins.
There's something on the back too you were pointing at.
Azygos.
Which one is it?
Azygos vein, right here.
Okay.
Do we have to know this one?
I
I don't know what that is.
don't think so.
And this was.
Well, if he tags anything back here, any of these structures over here, just know that it's the azygous vein. Whatever he tags back here,
Okay.
because there's only one really in the back.